Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome to my English lesson via online. In here I will discuss about the material for class 10 semester 1 about introduction. In here we will talk about spoken and written text related to provide and ask for personal information and family relationship. We have dialogues about new vocabularies on family kinship, and pronouns and some information about verbs and to be, Okay, the keywords in our lesson is introduce, kinship, would like to, subjective, objective, possessive. What is it about? We will find it later. Okay, first of all is having grammar first. In here, the possessive pronoun, there are two positions of possessive pronouns followed by the nouns or without noun. There is a column and there is a table and there are two columns in here and left and right in here. In the left column is pronoun, possessive pronoun using the noun or following by the noun. For example, this is my house. In bahasa Indonesia, ini adalah rumah saya. The other pattern is without noun after the possessive pronoun. For example, this house is mine. The meaning is the same. Rumah ini adalah milik saya. It shows that house is my house. So look at the form. In the first is this is my house, and the second this house is mine. The next is this your backpack? Apakah ini tas rangselmu? The other form is this backpack yours? Apakah rangsel ini punyamu? Pay attention on the form. Perhatikan formatnya. I borrow his hat. It also means this hat is his. We think her shoes are expensive. The same with these branded shoes are hers. Or these expensive shoes are hers. They have the same meaning. This is our school. We can say that this big clean school is ours. The thick books and magazines are on the table. The same meaning with these thick books and magazines are theirs. The next example is I have a cat. Its fur is soft. Misalnya, for example, my cat has a cage. My cat has a cage. We can say that this cage is its. Okay. And the next, the first is I give you some information about the basic knowledge for our discussion in here about family kinship. We have examples. My mother, Mrs. Arumi, is a clerk And my father, Mr. Effendi, is a teacher. Ibu saya, Bu Arumi, adalah seorang kasir. And my father, dan ayah saya, Mr. Effendi, seorang guru. I have a younger brother named Beta Pradana Utama. Saya punya seorang saudara laki-laki lebih muda, yaitu adik laki-laki, named bernama Beta Pradana Utama. I have an elder sister. Saya punya saudara perempuan lebih tua atau kakak perempuan, Sekar Biru. This is her name. I know your name through my uncle Ziko. Ya. I know your name through my uncle Ziko. Saya tahu namamu dari paman saya Ziko. Look at Alpha's family tree as follows. Perhatikan keluarga Alpha, ya. Ini apa? Pohon keluarga. Mr. Effendi, Mrs. Arumi, Sekar Biru, Alpha Pradana, Beta. This is for example. The words in bold shows family kinship. Now please read and memorize the following, ya. Father, ayah. Mother, ibu. Elder brother, kakak laki-laki. Younger sister, adik perempuan. Son, anak laki-laki. Daughter, anak perempuan. Uncle, paman. Aunt, bibi. Niece, keponakan perempuan. Nephew, keponakan laki-laki. Parents, orang tua. Grandparents, kakek nenek. Grandfather, kakek. Grandmother, nenek. Father-in-law, ayah mertua. Mother-in-law, ibu mertua. Son-in-law, menantu laki-laki. Daughter-in-law, menantu perempuan. Stepfather, ayah tiri. Stepmother, ibu tiri. Bagi yang merasa ada kosakata baru, silakan diucapkan ulang dan dilatih sehingga lebih mudah dalam menghafalnya. Now we are talking about the grammar of using be and have. Look at the following example. I am Alpha Pradana Sakti. Ya. My mother, Mrs. Arumi, is a clerk. And my father, Mr. Effendi, is a teacher. Mrs. Arumi and Mr. Effendi are Alpha's parents. I have a younger brother named Beta Pradana Utama. I have an elder sister named Sekar Biru. So Sekar Biru has two brothers, Alpha Pradana Sakti and Beta Pradana Utama. These are the examples of the sentences about family kinship. There are some information for you. M is for the subject I, it is to be, ya. Is for the subject he, she, it, he, dia laki-laki, she, dia perempuan, it untuk untuk apa? Selain orang, ya, orang ketiga, selain orang, ya. Pronoun ketiga untuk selain orang. Misalnya hewan, komputer, sepeda motor, mobil, dan lain-lain. And singular subjects yang tunggal. Are is the subjects for you, we, they, kamu, kami, mereka. And phrasal subjects dan subjek yang jamak. And plural subject. Subjek jamak lebih dari satu. Notice the using of have and has. Yang di sini have and has, have or has itu artinya sama, memiliki. For example, the form is have, has. Subject plus have plus has, noun. Misalnya, for example, I have a book. He has a book. Has digunakan untuk he, she, it. Artinya sama, memiliki. Untuk kalimat negatifnya, subject do or does not have noun. Ya, misalnya, I have a book, I don't have a pen. He has a book, he doesn't have a bag. Ya. Ketika does not keluar, maka kata kerjanya memiliki berubah menjadi have. Ketika kalimat tanya, do or does subject plus have plus nouns. For example, do you have a pen? Does he have a pen? Okay. These are previous for the first information. And if you don't understand, you can repeat it more. Yeah. Replay the video. To learn it more, please find the other information that you can know. Okay, now, in activity 6 in here, straightforward. Let's check it out, your understanding, whether you have understood about my explanations before. Fill with the correct be, is, am, or are, or have, or has. We blah 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 a new friend. She blah 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 from Binjai. What do you think the suitable form in the activity 6? Read and pay attention. You can read in your downloaded material and try to do the answer. And I will give you exercise after you have learned about this video through a link. Then you can fill in the link. Is it better or is it right or not? Okay. Okay, students. After you have done the practice, I give you activity, listen and repeat, yeah. Mind your pronunciation and intonation. You can repeat after me. You can repeat after me and try to understand what is the meaning. Good morning, everybody. I'm your English teacher. My name's Ricky Ardian, and please call me Ricky. I live in Harmony Housing Estate, Jalan Kalibiru, Block C, number 29. My house has a green wall and a mango tree in the front yard. Please stop by. I usually spend my spare time for cooking, reading, gardening, and looking after my little girl Ika. I occasionally play the guitar and sing songs with my wife. I also like traveling. We can go somewhere together one day, can't we? Well, my favorite colors are black and white. Talking about food, I love rujak cingur, pempek, and beef stick. I like tomato and carrot juice. It's very good for our health. That's my introduction. I'd like to hear yours, your names, addresses, hobbies, etc. Now, I'd like you to stand up and introduce yourself in turns. Who will be first? Please rise. Okay, students, this is the example of giving or introducing yourself. Now, try to introduce yourself, yeah. You can write first and record your introducing with video, upload in Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, and copy and paste the link, your upload material, your introduction in English, and send to the link that is given, yeah, in the form that you will have after this lesson. Try to make the best introduction for yourself, and you can share it to social media and tag my lesson with Mr. Wirawan's English lesson. Okay, that's very good. Now we continue about discussion about pronoun. In here we have subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. Okay. After we have possessive pronoun, now we have subjective pronoun or objective pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is kata ganti dari benda. Ya, subjective pronoun, that position of the pronoun is as subject. Meanwhile, objective pronoun, the position of pronoun is object. In here, the table you can see, he dia laki-laki, if objective becomes him. She dia perempuan becomes her. It selain orang still it. I saya becomes me. You still you. We becomes us, they become them. For example, Aryati is my cousin. I usually meet her at weekend. Saya biasanya ketemu dia di akhir pekan. You cannot use I usually meet she at the weekend because she as subject. Ya. Later on, inshallah, I will give you another video about how to understand sentence where is the subject, where is the verb or be, and where is the object place. Okay. The second is, number 2, Bayu is very good at table tennis. Bayu sangat bagus dalam tenis meja. We in here sebagai subject. Kami selalu support him, mendukungnya. Him in here as object pronoun. During a competition, selama kompetisi. My friends think I'm genius. They call me Einstein. They is my friends, me, saya. Our history teacher invites us to visit a museum next Saturday. Guru sejarah kami mengundang kami. Ya, our is a possessive pronoun. Ya, invites us is objective pronoun. To visit a museum next Saturday. She's explaining, dia sedang menjelaskan. She in here adalah our history teacher. Ya, sebagai subject. She is explaining about it, tentangnya. It ini menjelaskan objek, yaitu visiting museum next Saturday. Okay, at the moment, pada saat ini. The underlined word, ya, yang di sini I, we, they, she are subjective pronoun, posisi pronoun subject. Sedangkan yang her, him, me, us, it adalah objective pronoun, pronoun sebagai objek. Okay. In here we have activity 15. Introduce yourself. You may use the following paragraph. Yeah, this is introducing yourself. You can practice. Hello, my name is blah blah blah. I am. Berapa jumlah umurmu? For example, I'm 15 years old. Saya 15 tahun. I live at blah blah blah. Jelaskan alamatmu. I like my hobbies are. I like or my hobbies are. Itu menunjukkan hobimu apa. Ya, gunakan mungkin memancing, fishing, or cycling, bersepeda, and others. My favorite color is, your favorite color is what? Fill in there. And my favorite food is blah blah blah. Thank you. This is the example of introducing yourself. Please practice it. Okay. This is dialogue 1, dialogue 2. Yeah. Try to practice by yourself, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Next, we have introducing other people. In introducing other people, for example, Fian, this is Dara. Dara, this is Fian. Fian ini Dara, Dara ini Fian. Responding, hello Dara, hello Fian. Mom, please meet Mr. Rifki. Mom, tolong, Mom, ini Mr. Rifki. Kenalkan Mr. Rifki. My English teacher, guru bahasa Inggris saya, Mr. Rifki. This is my mother, Mrs. Harun. Pak Rifki, this is ibu saya, Mrs. Harun. Jawabannya how do you do? How do you do? How do you do itu bukan menanyakan kabar. Tapi how do you do itu untuk ungkapan pertama kali bertemu dan pertama kali berkenalan. Here's Vigo, ini Vigo. Vigo Siti, Siti Vigo. Ini adalah juga contoh perkenalan juga yang singkat. Saling memperkenalkan orang lain. Hi Siti, hi Vigo. Okay, I think it's very simple to introduce, to explain to you. Now we have practice in here, activity 19. Please fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. For example, Rona called blah 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 just now, but I didn't hear. Fill in the blank with the correct answers. You will have the exercise online after and the last exercise of this subject, yeah. But try to answer first, yeah, manually, not online. What do you think the answers? Activity 21. Complete the following text suitable words that show family kinship. Fill in the blanks with the family kinship. Hello, I am Dwi Utama. You may call me Tama. Mr. Teguh and Mrs. Karina are my blah blah blah. Mr. Teguh is my blah blah blah. Try to fill in the blanks. Okay, the exercise, I think it's very easy, and I am sure that you can do it. And after that, we have assessment there, and we will discuss in the next meeting whether you have, if you encourage to do this, try to do this first before I discuss via online or maybe in the classroom. Okay, students, I think that's enough for our online meeting here. Try to learn by yourself and have a great motivation to study, whether we don't meet, whether we study by online. I'm sure that you are capable to do the exercises. And if you can't do that, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me via WA, via WA and others. Okay, thank you, see you, and meet again with Pak Wirawan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.